I'm out at a new job today. This one's in North Brampton. This job's at the early stages of the Earthworks phase, so let's go fly. So on top of photos and videos for this site, I also did a mapping job of this stockpile right here. This is the 3D model of the stockpile. By highlighting it here, we get very accurate measurements of how much dirt is in this stockpile. Super useful for construction engineers to figure out what's going on as they move the dirt. I'm a licensed and insured drone operator in the GTA. Contact me if you need photo and video for your construction project.